We're here today at the headquarters of a wonderful company, EYBNA Technologies, located in Givat Chen in the Sharon district of Israel. Very briefly, EYBNA Technologies.
So EYBNA is an R&D company doing research on cannabis with emphasis on the non-cannabinoid compounds, especially terpenes. So basically what we are doing here is an ethnobotanical research with the purpose of understanding why there are certain cannabis products that are more suitable to certain medical indications and what in the composition of those products makes them unique. Main technology that we developed here in the company is the extraction of those ingredients out of different variety of plants. Allows us eventually to formulate products in very high purity and reintroduce them into cannabis products.
Terpenes are organic natural molecules that are found in pretty much any plant that has a smell. You know, the flowers, fruits, all the different herbs that we use for teas, they all have terpenes. You know, they have aromatic and taste properties, and they also, in addition, they have medicinal properties, such as anti-inflammatory, anti-pain. In a plant, actually, terpenes are considered the secondary metabolites, which means that the plant doesn't need it for its, daily survival. He needs it for example, protection from pesticides, communication with other plants and insects. So it's a very special group of molecules in plants. And terpenes in cannabis are considered to be like the non-cannabinoid components in cannabis. And other than, giving a very distinguished aromatic profile for each cannabis strain, they also contribute to the overall effect and medicinal effect of that cannabis strain.
So basically there are a lot of trends coming and people understand, and the next frontier in the cannabis industry is terpenes. THC and CBD are important, but they are not acting alone for the cannabis experience, overall experience. Basically what we see right now is companies want to target their products into certain effects, and companies that have a unique IP over certain strains want to expand their product line into oil-based product, facing a big problem of keep consistent terpene profile in those lines. And in EYBNA, what we are doing is using the best science in order to provide solution to cannabis companies all over the world to be able to benefit from the terpenes and their medical efficiency.
It is something that is definitely emerging. People are starting to, the awareness of terpenes is getting bigger and bigger every month. And we feel it. We definitely feel it, and it's great. But at the same time, it's we definitely see terpenes as part of the cannabis plant. They also have their own powerful properties by themselves. But it's like it's a balance.
First of all, Israel started the research a little bit earlier than the rest of the world. The knowledge exists here from the experience. Not everything has been published even. And the know-how in chemistry of cannabis components brings the ability to understand the plant in a way that eventually combining this knowledge of specific ingredients with the knowledge coming from the medical program that is very strict can lead to a new knowledge about how those ingredients incorporated in order to benefit patient groups. So this is the uniqueness.
I have to say thank you so much. It's been a wonderful afternoon here. Not only has it got a certain energy here in the head office, but it's just so cool to be here. Thank you so much, and we'll be in touch.
Thank you.